Yeah, I think they used a polishing cloth on it. It's gonna need a refinish.
I think it's a reasonable price. The box is $1,500, so that's why I took $1,500 off.
What's up?
Congratulations, bro. Your biggest deal yet.
My biggest deal yet.
2025, we did, what, 113, 115
Yeah,
last
something
year?
like that, yeah.
Now we're in the 120, so next is 200, 150?
About that.
We'll make it
Let's
happen. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you for your business. Thank you for everything.
Timepiece trading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out Timepiece Trading.
Timepiece Trading.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, what is going on? Welcome back to this week's episode. Thank you so much for tuning in. This week, we have an absolutely amazing video. We have the world's youngest jeweler and watch dealer stopping by. He picked up an expensive watch. Super excited to show you guys the footage and the rest of the video. Let's get into it. See what we got.
Let's see. Big cases.
Some Royal Oaks.
Here we go.
And where is it? There you
There
are.
it is. It's full links.
Full links, box, papers, pusher.
It's not as beat as you said. Whoa. It was polished already, right?
To me, it doesn't look like it was polished. It looks like someone used a polishing cloth on it, and that's why it's not in the best condition. But it definitely needs like a refinish. But it has everything else.
Yo, I'm here. I have the watch in hand. It's not as beat up as I thought it was. Yeah, I think they used a polishing cloth on it. It's gonna need a refinish.
I gave a very good price, 120,000 with the box, or 118.5 without the box. You guys have been going backwards. 120, 119, 118, 117.
118.
No. 118.5 without the box, or
118
120.
without the box.
118.5 without the box, or 120 complete set. That's
Why are
the
you
best
so
I
tough?
can do.
Why
I went down 6,500 for you already, and then you want another 2,000, another
I know
1,000, and then keep
500
the
bucks
box.
isn't gonna hurt you.
No, but it's business. It's a fair price, and I think it's a reasonable price. The box is $1,500, so that's why I took $1,500 off.
I get you.
It's reasonable.
I mean, that's how much normal blue goes for. Like, I know the market. So, you want it with books or no books? Okay, that's all. Bye. Let's go. That's all.
Congratulations, bro. Okay, so which one are we doing? 120 or 118.5?
118.5.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so this is what we will do. I'm gonna send the runner with the watch to deliver it. You can go with him if you'd like, and then he'll just get the check.
Wow, my biggest mazal yet.
Second biggest, no? Oh no,
The
bigger
RM
than
was
the RM.
116, 117, something like that.
Box.
My watch.
What is that?
Like
That's nice though.
You wanna buy
It
it?
fits your style. That's not for me, but it fits your style. Looks good.
The biggest mazal yet. I bought an AP rose gold perpetual. Crazy piece. Complete set, no box, fully linked. I'm mazal with Sean. Thank you for the business.
Your biggest deal yet.
My biggest deal yet.
2025, we did what, 113, 115
Yeah,
last
something
year?
like that.
Now
Yeah.
we're in the 120, so next is 200, 150?
About that.
We'll make it
Let's
happen. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you for
That's
your
all.
business. Thank you for everything. That's
There
all.
we go. Thank you.
Hey guys, so we're here today with Max, the young jeweler. He's the youngest in the game for real.
Yeah.
Honestly, I commend this guy. I think I started young, but if I started at his age, maybe I'd have already $1 billion. Not even lying. How young are you? No, I
13.
wish. 13. No,
13.
that's crazy, guys.
Yeah. So we did a mazal with NEEL. I bought a AP rose gold. He does
Perpetual calendar, rose gold, blue dial. Beautiful watch.
ice blue dial.
Ice blue dial, the new one. And I
Yeah.
think it's Max's biggest deal.
Yeah, it is.
So
Actually, second place is also a deal with TPT
Gotta
because
be, you know.
who's the biggest? TPT. I sold them an RM white gold chronograph, so this is the second biggest deal. Yeah, thank you.
Hopefully your third, fourth, fifth, all your biggest deals happen here, bro.
Maybe.
Yeah, we love to work with you.
I have a couple questions I want to ask you. First of all, when did you start the business?
2018.
2018. How old are you? How old were you?
I'm 28. When I started, I have to do the math. I guess I was 21.
Wow.
Yeah.
Only 7 years took you to build all this?
Yeah, 7 years is a long time, bro. That's why I'm saying, like, if I started at your age, I think I'd be very, very, like, I'd be crazy, bro.
Okay, so most of the dealers I met, I want to ask this question. It's very important.
Yeah.
What's your one favorite watch of all time?
It's gotta be, I have two.
Okay.
Give me two.
No, one. No.
I think the AP Open Work then.
The AP Open Work?
Yeah.
What?
15407, the stainless steel.
Ooh.
#1 watch for me.
Really?
Yeah, because people have asked me, like, if I can only have one, that's the watch.
Sounds about right.
Yeah.
And the second one?
The second one's gonna be the Nadal for sure. Yeah.
That-
I go to the gym. I dress very casual, you know, and I think this watch is the perfect watch for that. I wear it to the gym. This is my sleep watch too. When I wake up, I like to read the time first thing. Otherwise, I'm gonna just stay in bed, you know. So I wake up to this.
You sleep in that?
This is my sleep watch.
How
Sleep
much
and
is
gym.
that? 300-400?
350. When you're 16, bro, you'll be there.
Okay.
What's your favorite watch, bro?
Oh my. So realistically, well, I think my next watch after, like, I'm gonna probably get something like this. This is from my friend. First watch is probably gonna be something like this. Then I want a yellow gold ombre, the bit green.
The Day.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
But my favorite watch of all time, yellow gold diamond bezel open work AP. Flashy.
Oh, beautiful watch.
Flashy.
Yeah. The frosted or non
Yeah,
frosted?
frosted.
Yeah, frosted. Yeah.
Flashy.
Crazy. Yeah.
I think Moses has that piece.
Yeah.
And
I have one frosted in my collection. I'll show you.
Wow.
Yeah. So there's no cap in my wrap, bro. I love the skeleton so much. These are some of my personal watches.
That's crazy.
I have two. So I like this one better because I wear a lot of, I think because I'm dark, bro. I think white looks better on me, you know? But yeah.
What's the story of this piece?
My
It's
grandpa
interesting.
passed away, bro, so
Wow.
that was from him.
That's
Honestly,
important.
I don't wear it much. It's 36, but I'll keep it for life, of course.
Can I see this?
Yeah. You can see it on my wall too, bro. It's
Yeah.
like my favorite piece.
It's like colored on a. This is white gold? Yeah.
White gold, yep.
I think they only frost gold, right?
Yeah.
That's a crazy piece. That's what, 300?
I wish.
I don't even
300.
know.
This is 420, brother.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's a lot of money. Yeah. Thank you, Neil. That's a
you, brother.
5164R.
Yes, sir.
That
No,
was-
5968R. It's the new reference.
Ooh.
5164. It's this side. It's a dual
Yeah.
time zone. This one's just chronograph.
See?
I like this one better.
Really?
The last one I was digging into my arm a little when I wore it. This one feels more normal.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And how much is it? No, how much is it?
It's an 1103 rose titanium.
There we go.
245,000 right now.
You know, just a casual 245,000.
You need a nice gold watch in the collection, you know.
Just a casual Lamborghini sitting his same, you know.
What?
I
Very
love
soon, very soon you're gonna have the same, bro. Keep it
I
up.
hope so.
Keep
Thank
up
you.
the hustle, bro.
Yeah?
We really look up to what you do. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Good. So Amr said that you guys have something to drop off.
I sent AMAR the ones that he looking for.
Okay.
I'm looking for actually. Hold on. Where is it? I sent him to, but with the Jubilee, so I was confused. Where is it? The new Sky Roller with the Jubilee.
The
know?
gold one?
Yeah, rose gold with the kind of like light blue.
Green, yeah.
Yeah, greenish light blue.
Yeah, I can show you guys some options, and you were looking for.
So there's a few watches that I'm interested. I'm looking to buy two,
This one, but just with the Jubilee.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect.
and also I'm looking to trade in another one that I have. So I'm looking to buy two and pretty much sell one.
Okay.
I'll show you the models. I sent it to Amar in the group. Amar here. So those are like the four I wanted to see, kind of try them on and get the pricing on. And I have just a Datejust 36 with the crown closing from 2018.
Yeah.
with the diamonds and two-tone and black face. I can show you a
Oh
picture.
yeah. Two-tone rose or yellow?
Yellow.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll show you a picture.
Did he give you a price on that already?
No, nothing.
Do you have it with you?
No, I don't. It's actually in Rolex right now being fixed because I fixed the crown, the movement, and the glass, brand new, everything. I just paid like $1,300 right now on it.
Yeah.
But I'll show you this is the watch.
If it's not gonna be ready anyways for like 6 months.
No. It's 10 weeks. They said something like that.
10 weeks.
Yeah, but I can always.
But you wanna get your watches now, your tool, like in the next.
So-
week.
Yeah, I can always come back and sell it to them later. That's not a problem.
That's
I don't
the
need
thing,
to
is
sell the
like-
watch to buy the other two. It's
Because in
over.
order to give you a trade or a buy offer on this watch, you know, the market changes pretty much
Yeah.
hourly, so daily.
Yeah,
like,
that's fine.
we try and keep it like, you know, hold
Sell it
offers for
yourself.
like a week.
No,
If you're not in a rush,
But I
buy.
mean, like, you know, the good news is like they just are usually pretty like bulletproof, right? So
Yeah.
you'll be roughly around like the same
same.
market. It's not like, you know,
It's
today,
not gonna-
yeah, it's like it's not like you missed out on a couple $1,000
Yeah.
if you were to come back in 10 weeks from now.
Yeah.
But in terms of the other watches, I can show you some options
Yeah.
that we can all look at.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then what I think it trade mine to 59.90 actually. Maybe, but not today.
How are you liking the 5980?
I love it.
It's such a beautiful watch.
אני לא בכלל את כל מה שרציתי למדוד עליו, סבבה.
I have a Sky Dweller with like the regular band. I have the regular metal band. Can I? They sell these aftermarket and swap them, or is it different setup or something?
An aftermarket one. and
Like
put
just
on
the
there.
bands, they make it like buy the bands for it.
I'm pretty sure you can, yeah.
So can you give me kind of pricing on the four that I did give you?
That I can do, yeah.
Yeah. How much will it be to get them? And can you tell me how much mine is worth? Like how much you would pay for it if I had it now, of course.
Yeah.
Of course it can change a little bit, but like you said, it won't change too much.
You guys can like clean it up and polish it. It'll look
Yeah,
mint condition, right? By the time you get it.
Absolutely.
Like all the little small scratches is nothing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we buy watches that are gonna have like very good structural foundation to it. Obviously, they'll have a little bit of wear to it. Somebody enjoyed the watch, they loved the watch before, and if you want to polish, we'll polish it out for you. We'll bring it up to like mint, like new condition.
It's brand new condition.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It makes the
yeah,
biggest
I've-
difference, but we don't do it preemptively because some people are completely against the polish, so we don't want to ever upset a potential buyer just because we polish the watch, you know?
Makes sense. But I'd say I've bought watches that look like this and polished and they look brand new.
Exactly. So changes how the watch looks completely.
But I was looking for a bigger watch, so that's like I
Yeah.
it's a huge difference. But for me, in my favor, that's what
No,
it
of
is.
course,
You know
yeah.
what I mean?
Like you were looking for something
Yeah.
that had like a bigger presence on the wrist, and that's exactly what the 41mm achieves. It's just the new style day-dates are meant to be a lot more sleek and thinner.
Do they make the 41s with the
41 or
with the green rose and green combination
No.
for the 41?
No.
They never made them.
So that's the 60th anniversary dial, the olive green. So they only released it on Rolex's 60th anniversary, and by then they were already a 40mm.
Got it. Yeah, like an encyclopedia for Rolex.
Yeah.
It's good.
So you're waiting to hear back on that last one?
The last one I have for you is 49,500.
Let me write it down too. 49.5?
Yeah.
I think the last one.
That's the one that you wanted.
Yeah, but I want to see it on my hand too. Like I never tried it even. 49.5?
Yeah.
I need you set
And it's also brand new everything, right?
Brand new everything.
And do you know how much I can get on mine?
How much use for the one he wants? Use this new.
Sorry?
Use this new.
Yeah, because they replaced the glass, the movement, and the crown.
I
right
mean,
now.
we just rank it still as pre-owned, to be honest, even
Okay.
though it's got everything done to it, because, yeah,
Doesn't matter.
yeah. I mean, we will maybe appraise it very, very slightly higher because they'll have the service card, but it's, as I said, Datejust especially, they stay around the same.
What's up guys? Thanks for watching it to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.